Hello everyone, so bolo Jai Shri Ram. So today I came to visit Kala Ram Mandir, which is located in Panchwati, which is so popular in Nasik. And we know that very well because of Panchwati is so popular because of Lord Ram, Sita, Lakshman who used to stay here during their exile. So Kala Ram Mandir is a temple in Nasik in Maharashtra dedicated to Sri Ram, and it is situated in Panchwati area in Nasik on the bank of Godavari, and the temple derives from the name from a black statue of Ram in this temple along with Lakshman and Sita. So this temple is governing body by the Sri Ram Kala Ram Mandir Sansthan Nasik, and the original temple was very old, dated back to 7th to 11th century during the Rashtrakuta period, and it was claimed that Rama idol was 2000 years old. During the period of Turkish invasions, the idol of deity was thrown in Godavari river by temple Brahmins to save the temple idol of Lord Ram. So the new temple was founded and built by one Sardar Ranga Rao Udekar and was rebuilt in 1788. And one time it claimed that Udekar had a dream that the statue of Rama in black colors was in the Godavari river, and he carried out expeditions of reviving the idol and miraculously get it. Udekar took the statue and built the temple. There is also a statue of Sardar Udekar inside the temple. According to the Ramayana, Rama was sent in exile for 14 years. After the 10th years of exile, Rama along with Lakshman and Sita lived for 2.5 years on the northern bank of Godavari river near Nasik, which is known as the Panchwati. So we can see the idol of Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman, which is looking very good and very unique statue. And I have also got a divine blaze of Lord Sri Ram, Sita and Lakshman in this temple. And let's see from the outside, this temple is also made in black by black stone. So we can see. So even the temple came in middle conflict caused by the Satyagraha led by B.R. Ambedkar. Now it is known as the Kala Ram Mandir Satyagraha. B.R. Ambedkar organized Mandir Satyagraha. B.R. Ambedkar organized a large protest outside the temple on 2nd March 1930 to enter into the temple, and many Dalit protesters arrived to the town by trucks. They surrounded the temple and sat around it. So that was also a conflict. And let's see. And right now I am going inside the Sita Gufa. This is a Sita Gufa, which is very small. So it is very difficult to go inside that Gufa, but I am going. And many people who is also going there. So let's see how is this Gufa of Sita. So there is a idol of Sita, Shiva, and so this is the idol of Shiva, Jyotirling. Shivling is here. So and this is the Sai Baba idol. So bolo Om Sai Ram, which is also very good idol of Sai Baba here in Panchwati on the bank of Godavari river. So I was saying about the Dalit. So many Dalit protesters arrived by truck and sat around it. And they sang song, often raised war cries, demand to enter into the temple. The people of Nasik boycotted the protesters. On the day of Ram Navami, 9 April 1930, many Dalit protesters tried to stop the temple Rath Yatra. Fights and a stone began in between Hindus and Dalit protesters, and later Ambedkar reached at riot spot. He and other protesters suffered from minor injured, and somehow a protester named Bhaskar Kandri broke the police cordon who were protesting the temple and enters in it and fall on the floor. And this satyagraha ran till 1935. So this is the story of Kala Ram Mandir, and we can see this is the idol of Parvati and Lord Shiva and in together in one statue. So bolo Gauri Shankar ki jai. And this is the place where Sita abducted by Ravana in the forest Dandaka in Panchvati, and nowadays it's called as a Sita Gufa Panchvati, where Sita was kidnapped from here. So let's see, this is the statue of Shiva and Parvati combined statue. So गौरी शंकर, सो एक बार बोलो गौरी शंकर की जय. And this is located on the bank of Godavari only. Or even I also took bath in this sacred river of Godavari at this place in Panchvati, where that is, and that ghat name is Ram Ghat. The Ram Kund. This is a Ram Kund. And let's see, this is the idol of Ram, Sita and Lakshman. So बोलो जय श्री राम, जय श्री सिया राम, सिया रामचंद्र की जय. So I am also feeling very good here because of the I got a bless of Lord Sri Ram and Sita Ma here in this temple. So बोलते रहो जय श्री राम, जय सीता राम. ओम भूरिदा भूरि देनो माधरभ्यम भूरिया भूरियम भूदा पेसुता पुता सुबिथन अनुपगस्वरागसी. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः. ओम विष्णवे नमः. आपदां मातरं दातरं सर्पदं लोकयाभिराम श्री राम भूयो भूयो नमः पतये रामचंद्राय वेदस्य नुगतये पतये सीतापतये नमः. नमः सरस्वती नगुणसन्नाथम. जय बजरंगबली, जय शिवशंकर, जय भोलेनाथ, जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण. सो बोलते रहो जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री राम. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. सो दिस इज द आइडल ऑफ झूलेलाल, हु इज ए पॉपुलर सेंट फ्रॉम सिंध, पाकिस्तान, which is known as the incarnation, which is on fish, that is a symbol of Jhulelal from Sindh Prant and region in Pakistan. Mostly Sindh person worship the idol of Jhulelal, and Jhulelal, who was also born on the same day of Ram Navami with Lord Ram, and along with also we are celebrating the birth anniversary of the Sri Ram.